the PM as a token of respect. Be it India or abroad, Indian women abroad have moved beyond barriers to preach the message of unity in diversity. Indian women are taking out time to knit colorful crochets. They are knitting the web of diversity to welcome their Prime Minister. Modi's visit to the UK on the 13th of November has instilled a feeling of enthusiasm and pride in the hearts of millions of Indians abroad. He has emerged as an iconic figure on the world stage. The grand reception he will receive in the UK will reflect the respect and adulation he has within the British Indian community. The World Punjabi Organization and all Indians across the UK are looking forward to welcoming Narendra Modi. Modi's ability to leave a trace, an imprint of India wherever he goes, has left the world and the Indians abroad spellbound. Our correspondent Lavina talks to Indian women abroad who are preparing for Modi's upcoming visit on the 13th of November.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। थैंक यू वेरी वेरी मच। क्या खूबसूरत शुरुआत रही और क्या खूबसूरत यहाँ क्रोशे से बने हुए सारे ये पैचेस रखे हुए हैं। पूनम जी, व्हाट इज दिस ऑल अबाउट?
दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी। हम इंडिया के अलग अलग प्रांतों से, अलग अलग रिलीजन को फॉलो करते हुए, अलग अलग कास्ट की औरतें यहाँ यूके में रहती।
And these are ladies, they are doing it all together, singing songs. Kids are here as well. सब काम करती महिलाएं हैं कुछ, and it's the holidays at the moment, so they have to get their kids. तो बच्चे भी इस पूरी मुहिम में जुटे पड़े हुए हैं. So let me ask कि मोदी जी को आप इस क्रोशे से what do you want to say?
हम मोदी जी को ये दिखाना चाहते हैं कि हम लोग यूके में रहते हुए भी एक साथ हैं और हम एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट करते हैं, और इंडियन वुमेन और यहाँ इतनी दूर रहते हुए भी हम सेम हैं, साथ हैं और हम एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं। पूनम ने इतना इनिशिएटिव लिया तो हम सब लोग सपोर्ट मिल रहे हैं एक दूसरे से। आई एम ट्रैवलिंग ऑल द टाइम लाइक ईस्ट लंडन। इफ वुमेन वांट्स टू लर्न, तो आई वेंट ईस्ट लंडन and lots of workshop I did in my own house and in Salav and West London and Central London. So it is good fun to meet new people, learning new skill and sharing whatever I know.
तो ये सीखा भी है लोगों ने, because I can see, आप देखें ये कलर भी अलग है और पैटर्न्स भी अलग है और shapes and designs are also different.
That was the whole idea. हमने एक कलर और एक पैटर्न को ना फॉलो करके अपने क्रोशे स्क्वायर्स के थ्रू भी अपनी यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी दिखाने की कोशिश की है कि हमने हर लेडी को बोला जो तुम्हारा पसंदीदा रंग हो, जो तुम्हारा पसंदीदा पैटर्न हो वो बनाओ। बस एक चीज हमने सिमिलर रखी है, इस 3x3 इंच का स्क्वायर हमने हर लेडी को रिक्वेस्ट किया था एंड हर एक स्क्वायर अपने आप में यूनिक है।
I can see that and it has all sorts of colors. Now how do you plan to take this to Modi ji, and what is the message that you want to give when you take it to him? Hello boy, are you learning as well?
Yes.
Are you learning?
Yes.
Are you learning?
Yes.
Say Modi ji.
Modi ji.
So how are you planning to give it and with what message?
I think we are planning to convey the message that we want more cultural centers in this country for our kids to learn Indian culture. By making this blanket, we are trying to show our children that this is something that our grandmothers and our mums have made, and I think this is for the first time I'm holding a crochet needle. So yeah, we are conveying the message and passing on the culture to our next generation.
Now very quickly, if you had to give a message to Prime Minister Modi, when you all go with this blanket to him, make him feel very warm, what are you going to say? One line.
I would like to say, Shri Narendra Modi, in words of Poonam ji, that this represents Indians in UK, and we would love to show our warmth to Shri Narendra Modi ji. We welcome him. We welcome him. We welcome him.
I'm coming. Okay. I also want to know what is the one message, or what is that one thing you want for yourself, India, UK, whatever. If he is sitting in front of you.
Right. No, we want unity. We are trying to create unity in diversity. So we would like him to, acknowledge that in India everybody is doing it, and here we come and we are trying to do the same thing.
The different colors here itself says it's so diverse. So India, unity in diversity. We just want a woman to empower her skills, whatever skills she has, to bring up that and to ensure every woman in India is up with her skills and independent on her own.
Women empowerment.
I would only like to say one thing to Shri Narendra Modi ji, is that we are with you, because you have given us the hope, the optimism, and you have raised very important issue of women empowerment, saving girl child and women education. Even though we may be away from our country, we would love to offer our skills that helps change the policies in India, and please make use of us.
Fantastic. Anyone else? Otherwise, anyone else to say anything to Prime Minister Modi?
Unity in diversity, peace, love. I love UK, I love India, Indian ladies in the UK.
Okay, thank you very, very much. On that note, I'm going to sit down with these ladies with one message that is coming from here. Unity and diversity. Like India is full of color and diversity, so are Indians living abroad, and they want to keep this and convey this to Prime Minister Modi. Please ensure that you secure this in India and make use of us here, from a message from these ladies, so that it is secured here and everywhere else. Thank you very much all, and I wish you will put this blanket together and give a warm welcome to Prime Minister Modi. Time for us to take a small break, but when we come back,